Hari Om. So we'll see today the values of trigonometry ratios. So this is a very important part because this will summarize the whole trigonometric concepts. Now sine theta. Yesterday we have done derivation. So we'll see here sine 0. What is sine 0?
0.
Sine 0 is 0. What is sine 30?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. What is sine 45?
1 by root 2.
1 by root 2. What is sine 60?
Root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2. What is sine 90?
1.
1. See, if you know only sine value, you can, everything you can do. So you have to mug up this, and it's not to mug up because yesterday I have given you derivation. So if you know sine 0, 0, sine 30, 1 by 2, sine 45, 1 by root 2, sine 60, root 3 by 2, sine 91. So cos 0, when you write cos 0, write from this side. The reason I'll tell you later. So sine 0, we have written 0. What is sine 90? 1. So that will be cos
0.
0. Cos 0 is nothing but sine 90. Okay. So you write 1. So what is cos 0?
1.
Now cos 30, like this you have to write.
Root 3 by 2.
So root 3 by 2. Here?
1 by root 2.
Yeah, same, because this is junction. When you are coming here, you'll meet. So here 1 by root 2. What is here?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. And here you should write
0.
So exactly ulta you have to write. This you have to mug up. This you should know. And then cos ulta. So cos 0 you have to write here 1. Root 3 by 2. Then 1 by root 2. Then 1 by 2 0. Simple. Now coming to tan. Tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. This you should know. What is tan theta?
Sin theta by cos theta.
Yes. And sin 0, you know 0. Cos 0?
1.
So tan 0 will be what?
Sin theta by cos theta.
Sin 0 by cos 0. So 0 by 1 is how much?
0.
0. Correct? Correct? Now 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. So what it will be?
1 by root 3.
Yes. 1 by root 3. Then here?
It is 1.
It's 1. When you do this by this, both are same, right?
Yes.
1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2, both are same.
Yes.
X by x, 1. So 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2 is 1. Here, see here it was 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. Here it's ulta. So answer will be ulta. Here 1 by root 3. Here
Root 3.
Okay, here sin 0 by cos 0 we have done. This one for this. Now here ulta. So he'll get 1 by 0. Remember this, anything divided by 0 it cannot be defined. It's like if you have one chocolate, I am telling you distribute, how many people you can distribute by giving 0. So you can distribute any number of people. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. You'll have still 1, right? Always you'll have 1 because you are distributing how much? 0. So 1 by 0 is infinity. So tell me,
Not
here,
defined.
1 by 0 not defined or infinity. Can I not defined? Okay, coming to cosec. Now this you know, right?
It is
Sine, cos, tan if you know. Ulta of that. Cosec is ulta of sine. And sec is ulta of cos. Cot is ulta of tan. So 0 is nothing but 0 by 1. Correct, na? 0 is nothing but 0 by 1. So when you do cosec 0, so 0 by 1 ulta of this will be 1 by 0. So again, not defined. So this will be not defined. Next, tell me this one. Ulta
Root
of
3.
ulta of.
Tan.
So here it is 1 by 2. Here how much it will be?
2. 2 by 1. 2.
2 by 1, 2. So here
Root 2.
root 2. Simple. 1 divided by 1 by root. Here
2 by root. 2 by root 3.
here
1.
1 by 1.
1.
Ulta is 1 by 1 again. 1. Here ulta of this. Tell me.
1.
1. Good.
2 by root 3.
2 by. You can do ulta or you can do like that. Ulta. Okay. Okay. Then
Root 2.
then
2.
then
0. Not defined. You have to run.
0 by 1. 0 is nothing but 0 by 1. So ulta will be 1 by 0. So not defined. Correct? Next, cot ulta of tan. So not defined. Correct? So cot 0 is not defined. Then next,
Root 3.
root 3.
1.
1.
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3.
0.
Here,
0.
not defined. It means not defined means what it is.
1 by 0.
So here it will be 0 by 1. 0 by 1 will be
0.
0. So this is summary of trigonometric ratio. Okay. So if you know this, then over. And if you want to know, sir, why sine and cos it was ulta. So for that, in higher classes you will learn. Now you should know that there is something called complementary and supplementary. So by common sense, yesterday we have discussed, right? So if this is 60, this will be how much? 30. This will be how much?
90 degrees.
Correct. This is perpendicular. This is base. If you take 60, and this will be hypotenuse. So when you say sine 60, okay, so what will be sine 60? Sine 60 P by H, right? Correct? But if you see this 30, okay, cos 30, okay, you see, try to understand. You consider this one is, name it A, B, C. This is AC, and this is BC, and this is AB. Try to understand. If we say sine 60, okay, so what is sine theta? What is sine theta? P by H. So 60 here, P by H. P by H we say, right? And P is nothing but AC. So better we write AC by
AB.
AB. Correct? Correct? And yesterday we have seen this value, all the values. Correct? When you do cos 30, what you will get? See again, cos 30 is what? What is cos theta? Base by hypotenuse. And this is the angle 30. So what will be base? This will be base. So again you got how much? P by H. Correct? So sine 60 is equals to cos 30 because its angular arrangement is like that. Why? Because these both are complementary. Here if it is 60 and here it is 30. Correct? That's why we have seen 60 and 30 it is like that. Correct? 30 how much you got?
1 by 2.
And 60 how much you got?
Root.
See, 1 by 2. Sine 30 how much you got?
1 by 2.
And cos 60 how much you got?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Why? Because 60 and 30 both are complement. 60 plus 30 is 90. Correct? So if one angle will be 30, another has to be 60. Understood? That's why it is going like that. Here though 45, 45, this though universal, same. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Yeah, understood? Okay, I hope it is clear. Hari Om, keep learning, keep watching.